and welcome. It's Gilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I am doing another little test pour today, and hopefully it's with the kind of Gilly gems. I did a piece last week, I think, or the week before, with what I called Gilly gems, with some concoction that I was experimenting with. I haven't quite gotten it yet, so I'm going to try it with these particular kind of Galactic colours, so it sort of comes out looking like a starry night, I hope. And then if it actually works, I will obviously disclose to you the products that I put in the puddle that's going on top that made it all happen. But these paints that I'm using now are the Folk Art, well, that one is the Folk Art Metallic Blue Sapphire. So I've got different colours in here. I've got that, and I've got the Metallic Antique Copper. So they're these Folk Art paints. I've got the Metallic Pearl White and Royal Gold. So I've just got a selection of these plaid Folk Art metallics. Oh, that one's Colour Shift paint. I've got that there too. I have put a squirt of the Dragonfly glaze in some of the cups as well, just because it was there, and see what kind of effect you can get. So I know that I'm going to get asked, where do you get those paints? What are they? They're all in the drop. All the information is in the drop-down box, and there is a link there to a worldwide online store that you can get them, everything I'm using from. Now, what I've mixed the paints with, this is my, I know, don't get jealous. This is a nice big 4 litres of Floetrol, $58 Australian we pay, but I did buy one of these 237 ml of GAC 800, and that cost me just under $25. So I know you guys get upset when we can get the Floetrol so much cheaper, but look how much I'm paying for that. It's crazy. Anyway, I've only mixed these particular plaid paints with Floetrol. So this is just the Pearl White. I decant my Floetrol into smaller containers so it's easier to deal with. I've mixed up all the rest, but I just wanted to show you. So this is, I've put about 50-50, so 50% paint, 50% Floetrol, and then I just mix it and see if I need to add more Floetrol. With this particular technique, I've been leaving a little bit thicker than the top coat, so it sort of just leaves a little trace in the paint, but they're not thick by any means, so I might just add a little bit more Floetrol to that, incy wincy bit, and then give it a real good stir. So I know lots of people say, where are you getting all your little cup holders? They were made by my husband and I just out of packing, and I do have a video of him making them. So you can just make your own, there's no big deal. Okie doke. So that's the last one mixed. I'll put those aside. I need to probably have that a little bit up that way, I believe. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, now I've made a top coat. This was made a couple of weeks ago now, so I have some left, and that's why this smaller canvas that I'm just going to try this particular technique out on to see if I get any Gilly gems. And if it all works beautiful, I'll write down the particular recipe that I put into this little test here. But if it doesn't work, it's pointless. But I will discuss it at the end if it does work. So let's give this a go. Give this a go. So I've got just all those sort of Galactic kind of colours, and I'm going to go from there. And I'm going to give my paint a good shake. I'm going to use some paint that I already have left over just for my edges, so as I don't have to worry about tilting the paint. Ooh, I'm just going to tilt it, just going to put it over the edges so it's ready to go. Oh, puppy dog's coming in now. Puppy dogs, puppy dogs. Okay, so that's just covering my edges. Ooh, that doesn't look very level, does it? So there you go, just covering my edges. And now I will start to just put these little pots of colours that I have. I'm just going to puddle them in the centre, I think. So this one is the black flash. So I'm just going to puddle them. I think I'll use all of that. And I will go the other goldy one. And I might put the copper. And I might use the blue now. It might be a good time to use the blue. Oh, did I stir that up well enough? Doesn't look like it. I might go the pearl white on top of that. I have got the silver, but I'm not sure that I really need to put this in. Let's see. I might just, have I got any left of that? Scrape every last bit of it out. That's those. Oh, now this was me mix. So this has been mixed well over a week, and now I can't open the lid. That's probably because I put enamel paint in it. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'll discuss the recipe with you. Let's see if I can get anything to work. It might not work, so I'm just going to pour it quite quickly, apparently, over the centre. Now is just tilt, so I'm trying to roll that paint that I've just poured over the top over the colours. So I'll start that corner, or maybe I don't need to take it right off. Over the other one, back to the centre, centre-ish, no, back over, see if I can roll it over. Back this way. Maybe I shouldn't have put that other colour on the other white on the outside, I'm not sure. Ooh, I'm not sure about this one. That is weird looking. Whether this is gonna change, I don't know. I have no idea. We've got to just give it time, apparently. Just like it's a recipe that I'm trying. I know somebody said try and roll off all your white paint, so I'm not sure whether it should. I don't really want to tilt off anymore because I'm thinking that I'm going to tilt all the colour off it, because there's obviously, I can do with something with if the centre remains a negative space or off centre, I can do something with that. I've got an idea for that. I might just see what my heat gun does to it, and then I might just leave it and come back and see how it's, ooh, okay. I don't think I'm going to get much happening there. I shouldn't say that. I will just leave that and see if it develops any further. I mean, it's looking, yeah, like a meteorite shower for sure. I probably could do with probably taking it over the ends a bit better next time, but these are the things that I'm trying to learn, so you guys get to the benefit of my mistakes until I get it, you know, looking a lot better. Oh, these are coming up beautifully, aren't they? Wow, okay. Maybe the heat might bring some more through here. I'm not sure. Oh, that's looking really nice. I love that. It is looking very galactic, yeah, spaceship in here or something. Or drawing a 3D circle down so it looks like you're looking into the core of the earth, or... But I'm going to just leave that now and I will come back to you and see what you think. But it's looking pretty cool. I like it. Okay, nothing, I'm not going to further embellish it. I thought it kind of turned out like fish scaly, so nothing really much further developed in it. So I wasn't going to put anything in that centre bit. I'm going to leave it as it is. So that was my little further experimenting with my mix that I haven't quite got right yet, because that one turned out like fish scales. But see you tomorrow. There you go. Bye for now.